Hi y'all, Kendall Carpenter, Bunnyfoot Pottery in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's Friday, February 13th, and I've just been to my mailbox, and an unexpected box from Tasmania, Australia. Linda with Lindy Lou Pottery has sent me a gift. Unexpected. I can't wait to get into it and see what kind of wonderful things she has decided to send me. That's a long ways from here. That is literally the other side of the world. And Linda will always have the most special place in my heart because she was my first subscriber. How many of you all remember who was your first subscriber? All right, we have bubble wrap. And bubble wrap. Oh, I'm so excited to see her handout. I've seen her show these in her videos. Tissue paper. Oh, Linda, you have the most beautiful collateral material. To the dearest and most beautiful Kendall, I just wanted to send you something from Tasmania, Australia, handmade by me. I can't thank you enough for all your love and kindness. You are one of the most amazing and beautiful person I've ever known. I feel blessed that you have come into my life. I agree. And you brighten up this world with your love and kindness and your passion for life. All my love to you, and you are forever in my heart, Linda. Oh, I will cherish that, Linda. Thank you so much for that kindness. I remember some of these. All right. Well, it looks like a bowl. How exciting would that be? It's really well wrapped. And I can tell that it has her envelope on the back, and there is her pink logo that I've seen hundreds of times on her video. Lindy Lou Pottery with her speckled buff envelope. Oh, it's a kangaroo. Oh, Linda, thank you so much. One of my favorite memories of being in Australia was seeing the mobs of kangaroos jumping around in the fields. Oh, bless your heart. To see this in person, your tags and your handwriting. Oh, that is so dear. Thank you so much. I love you to pieces. Thank you. You've just not only made my day, you've made my month. Anyway, bye y'all.